Hey there, Jeff with Giroux Camping Adventures. We're going to modify the freshwater tank in this video. Let's get started. I have two 50-gallon freshwater tanks. One of them has a ball valve. Let's remove that. We're replacing it with a 90-degree PEX elbow. The second tank is currently plugged. I want to put a 90-degree PEX elbow on that one too, and you'll see why in a second. There's two reasons I'm doing this fix. First, the water pump side inlet is leaking and I need to replace it. After giving it some thought, I decided to move the water pump to the bottom drain port, and then that way there's no chance of air getting into the line when your water happens to fall below the level of the water side inlet. Now it's time to run the PEX lines. I have a 3/4 inch ball valve, and I'll use those two holes to connect it to the RV frame. From there, I have 3/4 inch PEX lines for easier draining, and I connect it to the first tank. Then I have a T connection, and I run it all the way to the back to the second tank and also the water pump. This allows the water pump to pull directly from the bottom of each tank. I follow up with some foam pipe insulation and I zip tie along the way. I cover all the PEX lines. We've camped at tons of places after doing this modification, and I can tell you it's a game changer. No longer do we get to 1/3 water level and seem to be running out. We get to use all of our water, and that is awesome. Foil tape is the last step, and that helps keep things insulated. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.